Meet Jane. Jane is currently suffering from a hormone imbalance.
My life has gone by so fast. In fact, I don't remember the last time I slept in the same bed with my husband.
Over time, even the smallest fluctuations of hormone levels can wreak havoc on a woman's body.
I wish I could just live in here. I mean, all I do is eat lettuce and I still gain weight.
Jane can no longer keep up with the family. Instead, she deals with joint pain, lack of vitality, and frequent illnesses that cause her to miss out on life.
They're moving so fast. Hi! I feel like I'm moving in slow motion.
Ooh, Jane, you don't have to suffer anymore. Now there's Evexapel hormone pellet therapy. The practitioner takes a non-traditional approach to hormone replacement therapy, helping deliver consistent, long-lasting results. Fatigue, irritability, and weight gain. These are all symptoms of hormonal imbalance. Hormone production decreases over time, leading to all kinds of physical and emotional ailments. But with Evexapel hormone pellet therapy on your side, you can rest assured to get back to your old self again.
This time is in the past, ladies.
If traditional treatments and medications are letting you down, find an Evexapel certified provider to schedule a consultation. Your wellness, our passion.